What if I told you that the keys to building a fortune in 2025 are already in your hands? And no, you don't need a secret password or a magic formula. You need the right tools and mindset to tap into the incredible potential of AI and technology. The real question is, are you ready to take the leap? In this video, we're diving deep into how you can harness the power of new technologies, especially artificial intelligence, to build wealth faster and more efficiently than ever before. It's 2025. Let's unlock the secrets to making millions. Imagine this. You've got a startup idea in mind. It's big, it's bold, and it could change the game. But like most entrepreneurs, you're worried about the one thing that stops most people from making it big: time and resources. That's where AI and automation come in. Let's say you've built your business. But what happens when scaling up feels like climbing a mountain? Enter AI, your new business partner. It works 24/7, it's scalable, and it's surprisingly cost-efficient. Take AI-powered platforms like ChatGPT, which can automate customer service, write compelling content, and even handle complex data analysis. These are the tools that can replace hours of work, and potentially hundreds of thousands in payroll. But how can you make this all work for you? Let's break it down into simple steps. First, think about AI as an investment in efficiency. It's not just about building a product, it's about building systems that work smarter. AI can automate everything from your marketing to financial forecasting. Imagine using an AI-driven tool that analyzes customer behavior and automatically adjusts your marketing strategy in real time to increase conversion rates. I used AI to automate my email marketing campaigns, and now I'm seeing an 80% boost in sales. The best part? I didn't even need a team to manage it. The AI does it all. The beauty of this technology is that it allows small businesses and solo entrepreneurs to compete with industry giants. With AI's ability to crunch massive amounts of data, you can spot trends, predict market behavior, and make decisions faster than your competitors. But here's the real kicker: automation. By automating tasks like inventory management, customer support, and even content creation, you're freeing up time to focus on what truly matters: growing your business. Now think about this. 2025 is about connecting the dots. You've got AI and automation handling the heavy lifting, and you're left with the freedom to innovate, create, and expand. Take things like crypto, NFTs, and blockchain technology. When you use AI to analyze the market, you're no longer guessing which investments will give you the biggest returns. You know exactly where to place your bets. These technologies aren't just for the Silicon Valley elites. They're available to anyone who's willing to learn, adapt, and act. Just look at how people are using AI to create content, design apps, or even generate passive income through automated trading bots. These aren't just trends, they're entire industries in the making. The game is changing fast. In 2025, the winners won't just be the people with the best ideas. They'll be the ones who use technology to turn those ideas into streamlined, automated powerhouses. You don't need to be an expert in coding or machine learning to get started. Start with small, scalable projects. Test the waters, analyze results, and then scale up using AI tools and automation. The future of wealth is here, and it's built on the shoulders of technology. So, whether you're launching a startup or scaling an existing business, the opportunities to make millions are waiting for you. All it takes is the right strategy and the willingness to embrace the tools that will help you get there faster. So, are you ready to step into the future? The question is no longer if you can make millions, it's about how quickly you'll do it with the power of AI and automation by your side. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.